Okay, here we are, our villa. Well, this is our very messy bedroom in our villa, but you can see how beautiful. Go this way. It's the hall down the room. Down the hall is where Jonathan and Gabriel are staying. Here is our lovely living room and the big kitchen. Two big kitchens. And this is the view from the kitchen. Amazing. Here we go. Beautiful. The view. Okay. Down the stairs. Woohoo. Little sitting area right here. Then you come around. Is everyone eating breakfast? Oh, everyone got up. A little pergola, a little eating area. Kevin eating cereal. Jonathan fixing his hair. And some more beautiful views. I'll go inside. Show you the second half of the villa. Stephen and Gabriel. Stephen making breakfast.
You sure you don't want an egg?
No, I don't want anything, thank you. The bedroom's back here. I'll go back there. My mother's back there, I think. That's it.
Did you videotape the in-house staff that comes with the
I did. I'm videotaping them right now. There's my food that I didn't finish eating. Okay, that's it. Beautiful. Bye-bye.